Korean designer bag haul. Hi guys, so y'all wanted to see my Korean designer bag collection, and that's what we're gonna do today. Most of them are actually pretty affordable, so I'm gonna put the price down here too. So the first one of my favorites at the moment, is this one by Stanos. It's the baguette bag, and I really like it. It's in a color like pink, and I think it's sold out at the moment, but I have to check. But it actually goes pretty well with my outfit right now, and I just think it's super cute. Can you see it? In general, I wear so much pink at the moment, and I also love black and pink, the combination. So yeah, and if you're curious about the charms, I got them from a local store in Korea called Duty Free Offline. The second bag is by Sondo, also really popular in Korea right now, and I've done an unboxing a few weeks ago, and I also really like this one. This also matches my outfit right now, but I feel like it's more of a fall bag, but I know a lot of girls already wear it. But it's also really Y2K, you know, but still cute. You can dress it up and down. I still think it would look cute with my outfit. I just love all the different compartments, and I like brown. I love brown bags. It literally goes with everything, so love this one too. And it's super light. I love this too. And my last bag is a tiny one. It's this one by Martin Kim. Also matches my outfit. Literally every bag matches my outfit. This is one of those tiny bags. I also have a matching wallet, and you can wear it in 3 different ways actually. And I just love how chic this is. It's really pretty. To be fair, this bag is more like an accessory rather than a real bag, but I love this one. It's so cute. Yeah, these are my bags. Which one do you like the most?